Let's do some circle geometry. You're given all this stuff, A, B, and C, and D, and E on the outside of the circle. You're given that BD equals DF and the nice marks in there. You're given one angle there is 10 degrees. These two sides are equal. It's very important. You're given that O is the center because it means all of these lines are equal too because they're radiuses, radii. Okay, let's try the first question. We're supposed to find how big is angle D2, this angle right here, this angle right here. Well, it's the exterior angle of this big skinny triangle. And if these two sides are equal, B3 is equal to 10 degrees because of angles opposite equal sides. And the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to these two opposite angles added together. So that's why D2 is 20 degrees. Okay, let's try the next one. What is angle A? What is angle A? Well, this is a diameter. So if you know that that's a diameter, you know B1 and B2 together are 90 degrees. Angle ABD is 90 degrees. Angle on a semicircle is your reason. Well, if that's 90 degrees and you know the D2 is 20, then A has to be 70 degrees because of the angles adding up in triangle ABD. Well, there we go. We got the first part. Let's try O2. How are we going to find O2? Well, let's see what I did. This is the way. There's more than one way to do these questions sometimes. If this is 20 degrees. Because OD is equal to OC, their radii, then B2 must be 20 degrees. This angle right in here must be 20 degrees. So that's 20. That's 20. We're trying to figure out O2, but BOD makes a triangle. Well, 180 minus 20 plus 20, O2 must be 140 degrees. So that's your answer because the angle's adding up in this triangle. The next question, C1. We're going to try and figure out what C1 is. Okay, let's see how I did it. There's more than one way to do it, but let's just see. I think that C1 is real easy, and I think the marks are easy. It's only 2 marks. It's got to be 110 because BCDA or ABCD here, that makes a quadrilateral. And the opposite angles in a quadrilateral add up to 180. So that makes C1 having to be 110, the opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Okay, 9.5, last question. We're supposed to find out what D4 is. Let's see if we can find out what D4 is. Well, let's see here. Isn't this triangle, this ABCD, that's a cyclic quad. That D4 is the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. And it equals the opposite, 90 plus 10. Oh, D4 must be 100 degrees, 90 plus 10, because of the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. And I think that just about does it. Okay.